Hi everyone, welcome to today's session. So we are conducting this session with some exciting news about small cases on the 5paisa platform. So the exciting news is that now we have made it more pocket friendly for all the investors to head down to 5paisa.com and start your investment journey using small cases. So we wanted to conduct a very brief session to just discuss the pricing changes that we have made. So before we actually head down to the pricing structure, for those of you who are new to small cases and you wish to understand a little bit more, we'll take 2 minutes of your time to explain what small cases are and some of the brief benefits of it. And immediately we'll move on to checking out the new pricing structure that we have actually launched on the platform. So now, the first thing that we would like to cover is we would want you to understand what small cases are. So small cases basically means a direct equity portfolio or a basket of stocks which has been designed with a certain idea, strategy, or theme in mind. So there are multiple strategies and ideas that are out there, and each of these ideas or strategies can be picked out and a specific portfolio can be made, designed only using that particular idea or strategy or philosophy in mind. तो इसको हम बुलाते हैं स्मॉल केसेस ऑन द स्मॉल केस प्लेटफॉर्म. सो जब भी हम लोग स्मॉल केसेस के बारे में बात करते हैं, इट इज वेरी इजी टू पिक्चराइज इट, विजुअलाइज इट. You can think of it as a direct equity portfolio which has been designed with a very specific philosophy in mind. So now let us try to understand who basically comes down to the platform and curates these direct equity portfolios, which we call small cases. So small cases are designed by SEBI registered professionals who live and breathe markets. So each SEBI registered professional has their own philosophy in mind. They will have their own thesis, and they will come with their own set of experiences as to what works for them, what doesn't work for them. And using their experience and using their specific strategy, they are designing small cases which are now available to all the 5paisa investors at I would say at a fraction of the cost as to what you are actually paying prior to this. So now let us try to understand what we as investors can know about these portfolios or baskets before we start our investing journey. So for any small case, before you invest, you will be able to see the portfolio constituents, that is the list of sectors and the list of stocks that are a part of that particular basket or portfolio. So there are plenty of free access small cases out there. So all you have to do is log in using your 5paisa account credentials, and you will be able to see the current holdings of these particular portfolios, and you will also be able to see the weightages of each of the sectors and each of the stocks. Apart from this, every small case basket or portfolio is compared with a respective benchmark index. For example, if a small case basket was made up of large cap stocks, then on the platform, we will compare its performance with the large cap index to make it easy for you as investors to understand if this particular portfolio is outperforming the market, underperforming the market, or giving as much as market returns, and so on. So it is easy for you now to basically head over to the platform and try to analyze which kind of portfolios fits your return requirements, your philosophy, and so on. Apart from this, every small case basket undergoes something called as a rebalancing. So rebalancing वो प्रोसेस है जहां पे मान लीजिए मैं एग्जांपल के साथ एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूं आपको. तो मान लीजिए एक बास्केट है जिसमें 10 स्टॉक है. तो अभी अगर सेबी रजिस्टर्ड प्रोफेशनल जो मैनेज कर रहे हैं उस बास्केट को, अगर उनको लग रहा है कि 2 या 3 स्टॉक जो फिलॉसफी है उस बास्केट से जुड़ नहीं रहा है, तो उन 2 या 3 स्टॉक का वेटेजेस डिक्रीज कर सकते हैं या उन स्टॉक्स को रिमूव कर सकते हैं बास्केट से, and we can add new stocks in its place. So this process keeps the basket healthy and in line with its own philosophy. तो इसको हम बुलाते हैं rebalancing on the small case platform. So every small case undergoes a rebalancing. हर एक small case का philosophy अलग है, design अलग है, तो इसीलिए rebalancing का frequency भी अलग होता है. तो ऐसे baskets है जिसके rebalancing साल में एक बार होता है. There are baskets where we rebalance it once in a quarter. There are baskets which go through monthly rebalancing. There are some few baskets which even go through a weekly rebalancing. So this is how you are able to participate not just in a static portfolio जहां पे एक बार आपने stocks चुन लिया वही stocks के साथ आप permanently you're going to take your journey. तो rebalancing के वजह से हर एक portfolio dynamic होता है जिसके वजह से you're basically investing in a dynamic portfolio. So now coming to the topic in discussion, that is the new pricing structure or the fee structure that we have launched, and what does this mean for you? So previously, if we were to take a look at the execution on the 5paisa platform, for every new buy, invest more, managing your small case, rebalancing, or setting up your SIPs, every SIP के लिए, partial exit के लिए, whole exit के लिए, there used to be a charge of 10 rupees per stock. And we wanted to make it more pocket friendly. We wanted everyone to experience small cases and make this journey very seamless, very practical, and very easy for you to understand. So हमने क्या किया है? We have streamlined it, and now as you can see the new fee structure that has been mentioned on the left side column, only for a new buy, you are going to pay 100 rupees flat fee plus GST on top of it. So whether you invest 5,000 rupees in a small case, 50,000 rupees in a small case, 5 lakh rupees in a small case, doesn't matter. There will be a one-time charge of 100 rupees plus GST at the time of investing in that small case as a new small case. तो उसके अलावा अगर आप फिर से वही small case में अगर आप top up करना चाहते हो, you want to add more funds to it, it is called as invest more on the platform. That is completely free of cost. If you want to manage your own portfolio, जहां पे आपको अगर एक या दो स्टॉक्स अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है उसको आप निकालना चाहते हैं या एक या दो स्टॉक्स ऐड करना चाहते हैं या वेटेजेस में कुछ आप खुद कुछ रीबैलेंसिंग करना चाहते हैं, completely free of cost. If a rebalance notification is issued and if you rebalance your portfolio, the rebalance notification will be issued by the advisor or the SEBI registered professional who's managing your portfolio. If you receive that rebalance notification and if you wish to rebalance your portfolio, that is free of cost. If you set up an SIP after buying after investing in a small case, let us say you also want to set up an SIP after that. So when you set up an SIP, previously again 10 rupees per stock used to get triggered as charges at the time of initiating your SIP every month. लेकिन अभी it is completely free of cost. So पहले आपको 100 rupees plus GST देके एक small case में invest करना है, उसके बाद उसी small case में SIP setup करने से कोई भी charges नहीं रहता है. And partial exit, चाहे portfolio आप half exit कर रहे हैं, चाहे whole exit, entire portfolio आप exit कर रहे हैं, it is all free of cost. And apart from this, when it comes to charges, the regular transaction fees, that is the brokerage and statutory charges that you will be paying, generally आप stock transaction जब करते हैं 5 पैसे पे जो regular brokerage charges apply होते हैं, delivery charges वो यहाँ पे apply हो जाएंगे, उसके अलावा और कुछ भी नहीं. So I hope that everyone is now more excited and more enthusiastic when you're thinking about investing in small cases, because now it's as expensive as just buying a small premium cup of coffee. That's about it. And you're getting to start your journey and there are no additional expenses being incurred. And we from Smallcase are not charging anything. So with that said, I hope that all of you will, take this as an opportunity and consider coming on the platform, seeing all the small cases, checking out the best small cases which suits your investment philosophy, do your own research, and then choose the basket of your choice. So some other things that you will need to start your journey. You can track the performance of small cases now using CAGR, that is compounded annual growth rate. हर एक small case का mention किया जाता है. So the new section, minimum investment amount, everything will be displayed to you, including the past performance of the small case compared with the benchmark index. Apart from that, now to invest more, it is fairly simple. You just have to head over to the platform. एक बार अगर आपने चालू कर लिया अपना investment in any one particular small case, all you have to do is head over to My Investments, go to your satellite investments, check the small case or select the small case that you've invested in, started your journey in. वहां पे आपको invest more button दिख जाएगा. You can invest more at any point of time. And rebalances, जब भी notifications आपको आ जाएंगे, please go ahead and rebalance your portfolio. And now, if you want to build wealth in a disciplined way, SIPs have been enabled. So it's fairly easy for you to set up SIPs. You can choose the SIP date, the SIP frequency. For example, do you want to do a weekly SIP, monthly SIP, quarterly SIP? Multiple options are available on the platform for different small cases. You can choose them and you can start your journey. So with that said, couple of other things to note. In our previous sessions with 5paisa, we have covered the A to Z of how to basically start your investment journey, be it using your 5paisa platform to log into the platform, selecting the small case of your choice, investing in that small case, investing more, setting up SIP, exiting the small case. हर एक चीज कैसे करना है 5paisa platform पे we have already explained in previous webinars, which are available on the official 5paisa YouTube channel. So I do sincerely hope that all of you will go check out those videos and you will get a very clear idea of how to proceed. So with that said, I wish all of you the best in your investment journey. And I hope the next big journey you're going to take with respect to your investments, you will be considering small cases to start your investment journey. A couple of other things to note. When investing in a small case, no new account opening is required. You just need to have your 5paisa trading and demat account. And our platform integrates itself with the 5paisa platform. So whenever you want to invest, whatever is the minimum ticket size of that basket or whatever investment amount you want to make, that amount will get debited from the trading account, your 5paisa trading account, and the stocks will be credited to your demat account. And as usual, dividends will be paid to your bank account. So there is no difference between investing in small case or investing in a direct stock. It is one and the same. This is just a more, I would say, professional way to think of investing. So with that said, you can also visit smallcases.5paisa.com, where all the small cases are listed. And I wish you all the best in your investing journey. Thanks a lot for tuning in.